Just put that 30 piece in my car. I was on E and I really should have put about 35 because I would be on full. So now I know it takes 35 at this gas station. Cause y'all know certain places be higher. This gas station 309. Baby, when I say I look tired this morning, I'm about to go home and do some facial care. First thing I'm gonna do is hop in the shower, take me a hot shower. Hot shower. I just had somebody reach out to see if they can get their daughter hair done this weekend. So I have 2 slots open this weekend. I opened up a Sunday slot. I know I just said I'm off on Sundays, but right now, holiday time, I kinda need the money since I'm not doing Amazon no more. But so I'm speaking more money. More money coming in abundantly. But I just hopped on here real quick. My lash is missing. I'm gonna see if I can find some at Walmart. But like I said, I'm finna take a shower. Oh, they built the carport. That's the thing about home ownership. You can do add on anything you want for the most part. But yeah, I'm finna hop in. Ugh, it's on my phone. Ugh, I'm on sanitizer, right? I had one in the car, but I don't know where it's at now. And it's driving me nuts because my hands feel dirty. See if I can buy a little cheap one. Alright, so I'm stuck at the light. Oh no, I'm not. But yeah, headed to Walmart. Hey guys, I just came back from Walmart. I'm gonna show you what I got before I put everything up and before I go do whatever I gotta do. I got the pieces. They were $188 everywhere, so I got this one is $6 something, $6.60, and yeah. I honestly don't know what I went in there for. I went in there for some fruit. They didn't have none of the fruits I wanted. Got candles for the night, $3.88 each. And I got some room spray. I just had said before I went in there I need some room. Apples. And some lemons and limes. And so this was like 78 cents or something like that. But it rung up 52 cents, right? The lady took one off. She was like, oh no, this ain't the right price. She was like, So these are 25 cents. See you guys later. I'm about to hop in the shower. I seen somebody I knew in Walmart, so it kind of threw my time off. And now I'm running behind. And I'm feeling a little nauseous. And it's probably because the herbs are strong and I didn't drink enough water. Whew. But at the same time, if you're drinking herbs, consuming herbs, you must drink a lot of water. And nauseousness could be a detox symptom. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Nauseousness could be a detox symptom, so. Anyway, I'm just about to get ready. It's 4:13 now. I'm about to just edit a vlog while I watch a vlog. I probably want to start cooking about 5 or 6. I think it's gonna get dark early today. I think Tom went back last night, and I'll probably just clean and shower. And I just think about washing my hair today. It's about 5 p.m. I'm actually about to go get my son. I didn't even know it was his ride, but kids love to pass up rides just to ask their parents to take them. Like, son, you had a ride. And then he texts me, are you doing hair? I already knew what was coming next. So my son is a type that even if he have a ride, he'll be like, oh, my mom can get me. I'm like, son, sometimes I want to break too. But yeah, I'm about to go get him. Then I'm gonna come back and clean, cook, and then visit my mom. And then we'll be winding down for the night. I want to soak my toes tonight, my feet, and I want to just wind down and do some facial care because I haven't did none in like all week, honestly, in days. And then I'm just gonna really enjoy the night, and that's it. Let me go get the kid. To get out of always wearing lashes though. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm getting my son. I told y'all that, but I want to show y'all some. I just want to put up a little, what they call it, montage. I'm just about to show y'all how beautiful it is out here. But I wanted to say one thing. Today it's 80 in Georgia. Yesterday it was about 50 in Georgia. Yesterday it was like spring vibes. Today it's giving end of the summer vibes. You see that sun? That's what I need in my life. That's what I need, some vitamin D. But I'm about to flip this camera and I'm about to show y'all. I gotta make sure I go the right way because I always go the wrong way. But maybe I will go the wrong way so y'all can see this water. Man, I'm supposed to be outside today, but the only reason roll up this window. The only reason I'm inside is because I had to work and I got a late start to my day. I normally would be out the house on Sunday because that's my day. But truthfully, I needed the money. I mean, I needed to put the money up for me. I just need to put money up. But so pretty, like the nature is so pretty. I gotta get out tomorrow. Like I owe it to myself. I'm off tomorrow because my son said he needed me to it's a meeting tomorrow, so I schedule off. So I'm gonna get out the house tomorrow and tonight. So I'm about to flip this camera and show y'all. Really show y'all how beautiful it is outside. Like nature will make you feel so good. I'm not lying to y'all. But yeah, that's what I was trying to say. I don't want to make this too long with me talking, but I wanted to say that I'm trying to get out of them lashes, like, because I look beautiful right here, but sometimes I don't be feeling like my best, like I'm giving my best glowy face when I don't have on lashes. And I don't want that to be the thing. That was the reason I got locked, so I could display my natural beauty without the extra hair. I could feel confident without the extra hair. And so over time I'm gonna do away with the nails, and even though that shows me my girly side, and I'm gonna do away with lashes, and I want to grow my own nails and lashes. But I want to just be completely natural one day. And yeah. So let's roll the music. Cue the music. She gave my son some food. Your food here. And myself. And I just got these from the gas station. They smell so good. I'm about to light one in here, one in the bedroom. Damn, I think that bag open. And then I'm finna finish editing. Then I'm going to come in here and clean and cook, because I still have to cook. Oh, I forgot to get cough medicine, but he will be taking NyQuil. I know that in February I want to get a new car, or March, February, March, February or March, January, February or March, and I just think it's time to get a second car. It's time to park this baby, fix it up, and just use it sometimes, you know, for my little side jobs and for my son to practice driving. At 6, naturally, with no alarm. And my son woke up at 6:30 on his own. We're making progress.